Today we'll be doing short division. We will be doing a 4-digit number divided by a 1-digit number. Let's use this as an example. The 4-digit number here is 1421 and our 1-digit number is 7. First, we look at our thousands column. How many times does 7 go into 1? 7 goes into 1 0 times. So we put a 0 above the bus stop and we put a line through our 1 since we're done with it. We then carry the 1 that was originally there and we look at our hundreds column. How many times does 7 go into 14? 7 goes into 14 2 times, so we put the 2 above the bus stop. We put a line through our 4 since we're done with it and move on to the tens. How many times does 7 go into 2? 7 goes into 2 0 times, so we put a 0 above the bus stop. We put a line through the 2 since we're done with it and we move on to our units. But before we move on to our units, we must carry the 2 since we haven't used it in the calculation. 7 goes into 21 3 times, which is why we've written it above the bus stop. So our final answer is 203. Here's another one. You can pause the video here if you want to try it by yourself, and then play it again to find out the answer. Okay, let's go through it. Here we have 1676 as our 4-digit number and 4 as our 1-digit number. So starting from the thousands column, how many times does 4 go into 1? The answer is 0. So we put a 0 above the bus stop and put a line through our 1 and move on to the hundreds column. We carry our 1 to make sure that we're completing the question properly. 4 goes into 16 4 times, which is why we've written it above the bus stop. We are now done with the 6, so we put a line through it and move on to our tens column. How many times does 4 go into 7? 4 goes into 7 1 time. So we put a 1 above the bus stop, we put a line through our 7, and we carry the 3, because 4 times 1 gives us 4, and to get to 7, we add 3. This is our remainder. Now we focus on the units. How many times does 4 go into 36? And if you can remember your 4 times tables, you will know that 4 goes into 36 9 times. So our answer is 419. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel and practice so you get good at these questions.